It is India versus Australia 2014. The stadium is loud, the pitch is hard, the air is hostile. A ball leaves the bowler's hand at over 140 km per hour. It climbs and bang, it crashes into Kohli's helmet. But did it stop him? You already know Kohli for his fierce dedication and will. In this video, we'll break down what truly makes Virat Kohli the best trader and how you can apply the same principles to become the best version of your trading self. If you're a beginner, this video will help you a lot. We'll start from the absolute basics and then move step by step toward the advanced ideas. But before all that, let's understand Virat Kohli's income, net worth, and his relationship with money and risk. This video is made for educational purposes only. Trading and investing involve market risk. This channel will not be responsible for any profits or losses. Many people believe his wealth comes mainly from Instagram posts and brand endorsement. He earns lakhs from a single post. But is that really the full truth? As of 2026, Virat Kohli has built a personal net worth estimated between 1,050 to 1,150 crores, which is around $140 million. This wealth is not the result of one big paycheck, but a carefully structured financial empire designed to grow even when he's not playing. Cricket created the base. His BCCI contracts, match fees, and IPL salary provided the initial capital. But today, they are only the one part of the equation. The real engine of Kohli's wealth is his brand endorsement, where he earns well over 200 crores every year, charging several crores for a single endorsement or even one social media post. Instead of spending this money, Kohli reinvested it like a long-term trader. He took equity stakes in fitness, sportswear, and lifestyle companies, business where his personal brand directly increases demand and valuation. These are ownership positions, not short-term deals, built to compound over time. A major pillar of his strategy is his restaurant and hospitality businesses. Through premium dining ventures such as 1-8 Commune, Kohli transformed his lifestyle image into a daily cash flow system. These restaurants operate in major Indian cities, attract high-spending customers, and are designed to scale across locations. This money being generated even when Kohli is not on the field. Alongside businesses, Kohli has built a powerful real estate portfolio. He owns luxury homes in Mumbai, Gurugram, Alibag, and overseas locations. These are not just residences but high-value, appreciating assets, placed in prime markets where capital grows quietly over time. Add to this luxury vehicles, long-term holdings, and the structures becomes clear. Virat Kohli didn't just earn money, he converted attention into equity, fame into ownership, and performance into assets. Now, let's move to the main reasons why Virat Kohli is one of the best traders out there. Understanding the market. Just like in cricket, we have pitch conditions, weather, pressure, and opposition. In the market, we have volatility. Volatility is simply the market's movement. Sudden spikes, sharp falls, uncertainty, and noise. No two market days behave the same way, just like no two pitches ever do. In cricket, the surface can be flat in the morning and dangerous by evening. In markets, news, liquidity, global events, and emotions can change direction within minutes. Virat Kohli always plays according to conditions. He knows when to defend and when to rotate strikes and when to attack aggressively. His greatest innings are built on patience first, aggression later. You can see this clearly in his high-pressure India versus Pakistan matches, where he absorbed pressure, stayed calm through difficult phases, and attacked only when the situation demanded it. Traders fail when they impose their ego on the market. Kohli never fights conditions. He aligns with them. When the pitch offers movement, he survives. When it flattens out, he dominates. This is the real lesson of volatility. You don't fight the market, you read it, and then you play your shot. Before we move further, if you want to trade in crypto, the link to open your trading account is given in the description. If you use our link, you'll also get 2,000 rupees worth Adirah AI subscription absolutely free. To claim that, make sure you fill out the Google form linked in the description. Don't skip this if you're serious about trading smarter. Focus on one trading style. Many traders keep jumping between styles, option trading today, intraday trading tomorrow, futures and options next week. This lack of focus destroys consistency. Kohli's early careers offer a powerful lesson here. In his younger days, he experimented, even tried contributing to bowling, much like a new trader trying every possible strategy. But he quickly realized this wasn't the biggest strength, batting was. Once he accepted that, he committed fully to it and kept polishing that single skill. Over time, this focus turned into one of the greatest batsmen in cricket history. Trading works exactly the same way. You don't need to master everything. You need to identify what suits your psychology and then refine it relentlessly. This is the reason why Kohli became the master of swing trading. Swing trading is a style that demands patience, emotional control, and conviction. If scalping is T20 cricket, then swing trading is Test cricket. You wait for the right setup, you respect time, and you don't force results. Kohli's dominance in Test cricket comes from his ability to stay mentally present for long hours without chasing outcomes. He understands that not every ball needs reaction. Some trades need time to develop. Just like in innings, swing traders don't panic over small pullbacks. They trust their analysis and let the trade mature. This style doesn't reward experiment. It rewards discipline, and that's why most people fail at it. Aggressive trading, a controlled intensity. On the surface, Virat Kohli appears angry, aggressive, and impatient. But this is one of the biggest misconceptions about him. There is a crucial difference between emotional anger and controlled intensity. Kohli's anger is never random. It is directed, purposeful, and disciplined. In trading, people often confuse aggression with overtrading, revenge trades, or impulsive decisions. That's not aggression, that's emotional weakness. Kohli's real strategy is emotional mastery. He uses intensity to sharpen focus, not to lose control. This means being decisive when the setup is clear, sticking to the plan, and exiting without hesitation when the trade is invalidated. One of the most overlooked aspects of Kohli's success is his dedication to fitness and routine. His fitness isn't about aesthetics, it's about endurance, mental and physical. Long matches, pressure situations, and form slumps, he survives them because his body and mind are trained for the long game. Trading is no different. Long screen hours, emotional swings, drawdowns, and uncertainty can break traders who lack discipline. Consistency in trading, just like cricket, is built on lifestyle, preparation, and respect for the process. Virat Kohli's journey offers a complete blueprint for traders. Focus on small, consistent profits, respect market volatility, commit to one trading style, practice patience like Test cricket, channel aggression into discipline, and most importantly, prepare for the long game. Market don't reward shortcuts, they reward those who survive first and dominate later. Kohli didn't chase greatness, he built it, one disciplined decision at one time. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, click on the like button. If you want more, subscribe and do suggest for more videos in the comment section. Thank you.